Are you looking to integrate Callreel with the Google Ad account? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, we will exactly show you how you can integrate Callreel with Google Ads account and create the conversion action automatically in Google Ad account. So stay with us, let's get into the screen. In this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate Callreel with Google Ads account. If you are using the Callreel and tracking all the phone calls in Callreel, you must need to integrate it with the Google Ad account so you can track the accurate phone calls in Google Ad account also, so that your Google Ads account can optimize it toward the quality phone call. So to do that, you need to log in the Callreel account first as shown in the screen. Once you have logged in and you already bought the number, you then need to go into the setting option that you can find on the left hand side. Click on the setting option. Once you click on that, you then need to select the accurate account of the company. So you might have created this for 2 or 3 companies. So you need to select the right company which you want to integrate with. So once you selected that, you can see the numbers here that you have already bought. So these are the number. On the top you can find the option of integrations. Click on integrations. There you have multiple platforms you can integrate Callreel with, such as Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, manual JavaScript snippet, Google My Business, Zapier, Microsoft, and all other options. But right now we are linking Google Ads with Callreel, so select the Google Ad option. Then it will give you the option to integrate. The first option is to choose the Google account. So I already have chosen it, but this option it will give you if you already have not chosen any Google account. Then click on choose Google account. Once you clicked on it, you need to select the right Google account. Then give permissions. Once you have done that, you have granted all the permissions. Under that you can find the ad account under that Google account. So find the relevant one which you want to integrate with Google Ads. So I have selected the right one. Under that it will give you the different options, conversions option. So you can see it will automatically create new conversion actions in Google Ad account and report phone calls as a conversion. So it has also have a 2 option. The first option is create one conversion action for all phone calls. So basically what it will do, it will only create one conversion action for all the phone calls, whether it is repeat or first time callers. But second option, which I would recommend or every business recommend to have that idea of first time callers, it will create a separate conversion action for first time caller and repeat callers. So it is also recommended using Google auto bidding strategy to optimize campaign around first time callers, because everyone wants new business. Existing business is there, so everyone wants new business and track that new business as a conversion. Once you are done that, then click on the activate button. Once you clicked on the activate button, then you can see your integration has been activated. So the integration with Google Ad account has been activated and running. So once you have done the integration on Callreel, then go and check in Google Ad account those conversion actions. So it usually creates automatically those conversion action within 1 to 2 hours. It can take more time also, but within 1 to 2 hours you can find those conversion actions. To find those conversion actions, go to Google Ad accounts, click on tools and settings, then select conversions. Under the conversions you can find the different actions, and on the bottom you can find two conversion action with the name first time phone call and repeat phone call. You can also see these are import from clicks. So these are the conversion action that auto created here from Callreel. So that is how you can integrate and you can create conversion actions in Google Ad account to track those. I hope the information shared and the integrations steps I have shared was helpful to you. I hope the information shared in this video was helpful. If so, please comment on our video and let us know how you like our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.